Hi guys, welcome to the video. This is a quick look at this battery tester. It's very simple in terms of it tells you if it needs charging or if it's low. And I'm just looking at two of my Duracell batteries that I've got. One is a AA and one is a AAA. And it basically flicks to say if it's good or bad. So I'm not quite sure how handy it is. But what I will do is in my charger, I've got a little system which tells me how much power is in the battery. So here you can see the AA, it's saying it's good. So I'm assuming that means that it's got enough power to flash use of my flashes, but does it actually? So let's just have a look at that. So now I've put the Duracell battery in my Vapex charger, and based on the front there, it's telling me that it's 3 bars full out of the 4. So that was quite good. The AAA was actually less than half, well, about half power. So it's not telling me much anyway. This eBay little charger, it's saying good or bad. There needs to be like a mid-grind where it's not usable because it's too low and it's charging. So the newer ones are probably better, that gives you the voltage on them as opposed to a good and bad. So I wouldn't recommend this little box one.